Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Mummy Finger. Today's Paruppu Payasam recipe is my personal favorite. First, let's dry roast 1 cup of moong dal in a pan at medium heat. Keep stirring for 5 to 7 minutes till the dal turns golden brown. Wash the roasted dal and transfer it to a pressure cooker or vessel to cook. Add 3 cups of water and cook till the dal is soft. Paruppu Payasam reminds me of weddings or other celebrations back home. Trying to eat payasam out of a banana leaf. In a vessel, add 2 cups of jaggery, add water just enough to soak the jaggery and stir well. Stir till the jaggery is completely dissolved in the water. Let it come to a boil to get a thick consistency. Use a strainer to remove any impurities from the jaggery syrup. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 cardamom pod, 10 chopped almonds, to 15 chopped cashews. Stir till the cashews turn golden brown. Add 10 to 15 raisins and stir till the raisins become round. Add the cooked dal and mix well. Pour the jaggery syrup little by little and keep stirring. The payasam is dark brown in color now. Add about 1 cup of milk little by little to dilute it. Stir well and the payasam turns a beautiful brown color. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, about 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee at the end and stir well. Delicious lip-smacking Paruppu Payasam is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.